In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. Finding peace and calm may seem like a distant dream, but there's a simple approach that can help you relax and regain balance in your life. This hidden formula focuses on guided relaxation techniques that can instantly calm your mind and body. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, or just need a moment to breathe, this method will bring you the peace you've been searching for. Let's explore how you can tap into this practice for instant relaxation. Relaxation is more than just a mental state. It's a physiological response that your body goes through when you consciously take steps to calm your mind. When we're stressed, our bodies produce hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare us for fight or flight mode. Prolonged stress can lead to negative health outcomes such as fatigue, anxiety, and even weakened immunity. Learning how to switch off this stress response is key to maintaining both mental and physical health. When you engage in guided relaxation, you activate what's known as the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes called the rest and digest system. This counteracts the stress response and brings your body back into balance. As your breathing slows, your heart rate decreases, and muscle tension begins to fade. These are the first signs that your body is shifting from a state of stress to one of peace. You may not even realize how much tension you've been holding until you start to unwind. Another powerful aspect of relaxation is its ability to improve focus and clarity. When we're stressed, our minds tend to race, making it difficult to concentrate. Guided relaxation, however, helps clear mental clutter, allowing you to think more clearly and make better decisions. And this is why many people find they can work more effectively after a brief period of relaxation. And it's not just about feeling good in the moment. This practice has long-term benefits for your mental agility. Beyond mental clarity, relaxation techniques have been shown to improve sleep quality. Many of us suffer from restless nights due to racing thoughts or worries. Incorporating relaxation practices into your evening routine can help ease the transition into sleep, allowing your body to rest deeply. When you wake up, you feel more refreshed and ready to take on the day. This ripple effect extends into every area of your life. One important part of this relaxation method is guided breathing. Simple, slow, and deep breaths help calm the mind by sending signals to the brain that everything is okay. Breathing exercises focus on lengthening your inhales and exhales, which reduces stress hormones and promotes feelings of calm. This simple act can be done anywhere, whether you're sitting at your desk or lying in bed. Another key element is visualization. By picturing peaceful, calming scenes in your mind, you trick your brain into releasing the same chemicals as if you were actually in those environments. For instance, imagining yourself on a serene beach, feeling the warm sun on your skin, helps your body experience the same relaxation benefits without leaving your home. Visualization is a powerful tool that works in harmony with guided breathing. Physical relaxation also plays a big role in this method. Many people carry tension in their muscles without realizing it, particularly in their neck, shoulders, and back. Guided relaxation techniques often incorporate a body scan, which involves slowly focusing on each area of your body, noticing tension and consciously releasing it. This simple exercise can make a world of difference in how you feel physically. Music or soothing sounds are often used as part of guided relaxation. Gentle, calming melodies or nature sounds can help deepen your sense of peace by providing a soothing backdrop for your practice. The combination of sound, breath, and visualization is highly effective for reducing stress and creating a state of calm. Mindful awareness is another important piece of the puzzle. When you practice guided relaxation, you're encouraged to focus entirely on the present moment, letting go of worries about the past or future. This mindful approach helps reduce anxiety by preventing your mind from wandering into stressful thoughts. It teaches you to enjoy the present without judgment. Repetition is key to mastering guided relaxation. The more often you practice, the easier it becomes to slip into a peaceful state when you need it most. Over time, your body and mind will respond more quickly to relaxation cues, making it a valuable tool you can access anytime, anywhere. Breathing is something we often take for granted, yet it's one of the most powerful tools for calming the mind and body. When you take slow, deep breaths, you activate the body's natural relaxation response. This type of breathing sends a message to your brain that it's time to relax, which in turn lowers your heart rate and reduces tension in your muscles. Many guided relaxation methods focus on the breath because of its immediate impact on stress levels. Simple exercises such as inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6 can make a big difference in how you feel. The beauty of these breathing techniques is that they can be done anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or even in a stressful situation. By focusing on your breath, you draw your attention away from stressors and bring yourself into the present moment. This not only calms your mind, but also helps you gain clarity and perspective on whatever is causing you tension. Breathing exercises are easy to learn and can be practiced daily to build long-term resilience against stress. Visualization is a powerful technique that works by engaging your imagination to create a sense of calm and relaxation. In guided visualization, you picture yourself in a peaceful setting, whether it's a quiet forest, a gentle ocean breeze, or a tranquil garden. As you immerse yourself in this mental image, your body begins to relax as if you were actually there. The mind is a powerful tool, and when you visualize peaceful scenarios, your brain releases chemicals that help lower stress levels. Even if you've never been to the places you imagine, the brain responds to the imagery as if it were real. This creates a soothing effect that can help you relax in moments of high tension. The combination of breathing and visualization is particularly effective in achieving a deep state of calm. By focusing your attention on peaceful imagery and slow breathing, you allow your mind to quiet down, giving you a break from daily stressors. It's an easy technique that anyone can practice, even during a busy day. One of the most valuable parts of guided relaxation is the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness teaches you to focus on the present moment without getting caught up in worries about the past or future. By staying fully present, you can let go of stress and anxiety that come from overthinking or anticipating negative outcomes. Mindfulness isn't about trying to control your thoughts, but simply observing them without judgment. As you practice mindfulness during guided relaxation, you'll notice that your thoughts begin to slow down and you can focus more easily on the sensations of relaxation. This helps create a deep sense of peace that stays with you even after the session is over. The beauty of mindfulness is that it can be incorporated into everyday life. You don't need to set aside hours for meditation. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or visualization can help you regain your calm and let go of unnecessary tension. Relaxation is not just about calming the mind, it's also about letting go of physical tension. Many of us carry stress in our muscles without even realizing it, especially in areas like the neck, shoulders, and back. Guided relaxation often involves a body scan where you mentally check in with each part of your body and release any tightness or discomfort. As you move your attention through each part of your body, you'll become more aware of where you hold tension. This awareness is the first step to releasing it. By consciously relaxing your muscles, you allow your body to enter a deeper state of calm. The physical benefits of this practice are noticeable, with reduced aches, better posture, and an overall sense of lightness. Pairing this with mindful breathing amplifies the effects, creating a full body relaxation that leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's a simple yet highly effective way to care for both your physical and mental health. Music and soothing sounds are often used in guided relaxation sessions to enhance the calming experience, whether it's soft instrumental music or the sound of waves crashing on the shore. These auditory elements help transport you to a peaceful state. Sound has a profound effect on the brain, and certain frequencies are known to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Many guided relaxation techniques incorporate sound as a background element to help you stay focused on the practice. The combination of sound and relaxation techniques creates an immersive experience that helps you disconnect from stressors. Even listening to calming music on its own can have a noticeable impact on your mood and energy levels. Incorporating sound into your relaxation routine is simple. While relaxation might feel like a luxury, it's essential to incorporate it into your daily routine for long-term well-being. By making time each day for guided relaxation, whether it's 5 minutes of breathing exercises or a longer visualization session, you're training your body and mind to handle stress more effectively. When relaxation becomes a regular habit, it becomes easier to access that peaceful state whenever you need it. Over time, you'll notice that stressful situations don't impact you as intensely, and you can remain calm even in the face of challenges. It's all about building resilience through consistent practice. Start small and gradually extend your relaxation sessions as you become more comfortable. The key is consistency. By committing to this practice daily, you'll see profound improvements in your overall sense of calm, clarity, and well-being. Relaxation isn't something that happens all at once. It's a skill that you develop over time. The small steps you take each day, whether through breathing, visualization, or mindfulness, will eventually lead to big changes in how you feel. As you practice these techniques regularly, you'll find that it becomes easier to relax and calm yourself, even in high-stress situations. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require drastic changes or hours of practice. Just a few minutes each day can make a world of difference in your overall sense of peace and balance. Over time, you'll find that these relaxation techniques become second nature, allowing you to tap into your calm state whenever needed. As your ability to relax deepens, you'll notice positive changes in all areas of your life, from your physical health to your emotional well-being. It's a gentle but powerful transformation that starts with the decision to take small, mindful steps toward peace. Guided relaxation offers a simple, effective way to find peace in a busy world. By focusing on your breath, visualizing calming scenes, and practicing mindfulness, you can quickly reduce stress and restore balance in your life. These small steps create long-lasting changes, improving both your mental and physical well-being. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine and watch as you experience more calm, clarity, and peace in every aspect of life. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more insights on personal wellness and relaxation techniques.